It's me, Robin.
And this week we're finding out all about flight. Woo! Hang on a minute, what's that noise?
It's time for the letter of the week.
Yay! Come on, everyone. Let's sing the ABC song together.
Are you ready? Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H,
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Well done. Oh no! I don't know what the letter of the week is.
Oh, he must have altitude sickness. Don't worry, Robin, I've got it just here. It's a capital letter A.
That's right, A. A makes a very interesting sound, everybody. It makes the sound ah. Can you do that? Ah! Ah! Oh, I can remember it makes that sound by pretending I have ants crawling up my arm, causing me alarm, making me say ah!
Oh my gosh, I like that. Come on, everyone, let's try that together.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Ah! 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 Ah!
It's a bouncy sound too, so come on, let's get our bouncer. Bounce it right across the room. Are you ready? Here we go.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Well done. Hey, I wonder what sort of words would start with the sound ah. Oh, look at this. I'm making a sign like that with my thumb out and my finger out. Then I'm flying it through the sky.
Oh.
It must be an aeroplane.
It is an aeroplane.
That's right. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Woohoo! Aeroplane. And where do aeroplanes land and take off from? Oh, I know. Put your hand out like this. Make your airplane come in for landing, because it's the airport.
Oh, Robin's got it.
Airport.
Airport.
Oh, isn't that cool? Airport. Wonderful. Well done. One more time. Airport. Good. Now let's put it in a song so that everybody can remember it all the time.
Excellent. So we're going to start off with ants crawling up our arm. We are going to do aeroplane. We are going to do airport. And then we're going to bounce it.
All right. Are you ready? Here we go.
Ah, 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 ah. And now we'll say aeroplane, 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 aeroplane. Ah, 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 ah. And now we'll say an airport, 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 airport. Let's bounce it. Ah, 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 ah.
Hey, well done, everybody. Airplanes land at the airport.
There we
Well
go.
done. You now know the letter A, which makes that sound ah even better than before.
Well done, everyone.
done.
I think the A wanted to take off too, didn't it?
It went away somewhere. Flew back afterwards, though. Well done, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.